Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine. You know that your school has decided to conduct online classes. So today we will discuss something about linear inequation. Okay? Linear linear inequation. Okay, before that we have to know that something about equation. What is equation? Suppose ax plus by equal to cz plus d. It is an equation. Why? Because here a sign called equal. Okay, that's why it is an equation. Something is there at left side and something is there at right side. That means the whole thing of left side is equal to whole things of right side. That is, it is an equation. But in equation, the left side is not equal to right side. For example, ax greater than b. It is not an equation because left side is not equal to right side. This sign is called greater sign. That means this quantity is greater than this quantity. Similarly, bx less than c. Bx less than c. The left side quantity is not equal to the quantity of right side. It is less than. That means this quantity is less than this quantity. So it is not equation. It is called inequation. Okay. This is greater than sign. This is less than sign. Similarly, suppose ax greater than equal to d. That means ax greater equal to d or x equal to d. This means greater or equal. This does not mean x greater than d and equal to d. Okay, it is either greater than d or equal to d. Okay, similarly, bx less than equal to c. Bx less than equal, either less than or equal, not both simultaneously. Okay, so this is greater than sign, this is less than sign, this is greater or equal sign, this less or equal sign. Clear up to that? Okay, now we will discuss something about difference between equation and inequation. Difference between equation and inequation. Equations and inequation. Okay, difference between equation and inequation. What is the difference? First of all, in an equation, in an equation there is an equal sign. Okay, there is an equal sign. Here it is equation, there is an equal sign, but in inequation there are either less than or greater than or less equal, less than or equal, or greater or equal sign. Okay, either less than sign or greater than sign or less than equal sign or greater than equal sign. Okay, number 2, in equation we get a solution. We get a solution for unknown quantity. Unknown quantity like x equal to 5. In equation we get a solution for unknown quantity. X equal to 5, it's an unknown quantity, it is a solution. Okay, but in inequation we get a solution set for unknown quantity. Unknown quantity like x greater than 5. That means x equal to 6 or 7 8 dot dot dot. That means any value greater than 5. It is a solution set. Number 3, the way of solving an equation and an equation are almost same. Way of solving an equation and inequations are almost same except one case, and that is suppose minus x less than 3. It means x greater than 3. Okay, x greater than minus 3. But in equation, suppose minus x equal to 3, minus 3. That means x equal to 3. Clear? Minus x equal to minus 3. It means x equal to 3. But in equation minus x less than 3, it means x greater than minus 3. That means when we multiply both sides of an inequation by minus 1, then the comparison sign will be reverse. Will reverse. For example, minus x greater than minus 3. It is minus sign. It will be minus sign. We have to multiply by minus 1 on both sides. If we multiply by minus 1, it will be x, and if we multiply by minus 1, it will be plus 3. That means 3. Then when we multiply both sides of an inequation by minus 1, then the comparison sign will be reversed. That means it is greater than sign, it will be less than sign. Okay. Similarly, suppose minus x less than equal to minus 5, it will be x greater equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, minus x greater equal to 6, it will be x less equal to minus 6. Okay, up to that. Okay, now let's solve some problem from our exercise book. Okay, let's solve the very first problem from exercise 4. Okay, it is problem number 1. Okay, solve the inequation. Inequation 3x minus 11 less than 3, where x belongs to 1 2 dot dot 10. Also represent its solution on number line. Okay. First of all, we have to solve this inequation. Okay, this is an inequation. Why? Because it is less than sign, not equal sign. Okay, so let's solve this inequation. 3x minus 11 less than 3, or 3x less than 3 plus 11, or x less than 14 by 3, or x less than 4 plus 2 by 3. Okay, that means x less than this value. Okay, here x equal to 1 2 3 dot 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 10. Okay, that means x, the last value of x will be 4, okay, because the x less than total value. That means the solution set will be, it start from 1, 2, 3 and 4, because x less than this value. If we put the next number, that means 5, it will be greater than this, so we cannot put the number 5. That means the solution set is this, okay.